Good afternoon to one and all present here. I welcome you all for this external virtual extramural series. Today we have Sai Esvar of second year B.Sc CS to deliver few things about Java. Over to you, Sai Esvar.
Hello, hello everyone who have gathered here in your busy schedule. I am Sai Esvar.P and I am from Department of Computer Science to share few things which I know about Java. Before starting the session, I sincerely thank our principal ma'am, dean ma'am and all the staffs who arranged for this event, and special thanks to my department HOD ma'am and all department faculties who gave this opportunity to share my knowledge with others. Now I am going to start my session about Java. Now we are going to see about history of Java. James Rosley and his team initiated the Java language project in June 1991. Java was originally designed for interaction televisions, but it was too advanced for digital cable televisions industries at the time. The language was initially called Oak after an oak tree that stood outside Rosley's office. Later, the project went by the name Green and finally renamed Java. From the from Java Coffee, a type of coffee from Indonesia. Josely designed Java with C and C++ style syntax that the system and application programs would find familiar. Sun Microsystem released the first public implementation as Java 1.0 in 1996. It promised to write once, run anywhere, functionally providing non-cost runtime on popular platforms. Next is what is Java used for. By Java, we can develop a variety of applications such as entrepreneurship applications, network applications, desktop applications, web applications, games, Android apps, and many more. Java programming language is used in backend of applications. Some top companies that use Java: Netflix, Google, Spotify, Amazon, LinkedIn, etc. Next, we are going to see about the features of Java. The primitive objective of Java programming language created was it to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are some excellent features that which plays an important role in the popularity of this language. These are the some features of Java: simple, object-oriented, platform-independent, architecture-neutral, distributive language, multi-thread language, dynamic. Simple. Simple is a Simple is based on C plus Java syntax is based on C plus plus. Java has removed many complications and rarely used features. For example, operator overloading. There is no need to remove unreferred objects because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. Object oriented. Java is object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporate with both data and behavior. Platform independent. Java is a platform independent because it differs from other languages like C and C++, which are compiled in platform-specific machines, while Java is once written and run anywhere language. A platform is the hardware or software environment in which program runs. There are two types of platforms: software-based and hardware-based. Java provides a software-based platform. It has two components: runtime environment, application programming interface. Java code can be executed on multiple platforms, for example, Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Java code is by the compiler and converted into bytecode. This bytecode is a platform independent code because it can run on multiple platforms with architectural neutral. Java is architectural neutral because there are no implementation dependent features. For example, the size of primitive types is fixed in C programming. Int data type occupies 2 bits for memory of 32 bits architecture and 4 bytes for memory of 64-bit architecture. However, it occupies 4 bits for memory for the both 32 and 64-bit architecture in Java. Distributive language. Java is a distributive language because it facilitates the users to create its distributed applications in Java. Multiple threading. A thread is a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java programs that deal with many tasks at once, defining multiple threads. The main advantage of multiple threading is that does not occupy memory of each thread. It has common memory area. The threads are important for multimedia and web applications. Dynamic. Dynamic is a language. Java is a dynamic language. It supports the dynamic loading of the classes. It means classes are loaded on demands. It also functions from its native languages, C and C++. That's all. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.